Indian Home Minister Amit Shah has sent out a very stern message to Maoists and their backers. Amit Shah has ruled out any talks with Maoists, saying the cadre of the proscribed outfit should give up arms and surrender before police and join mainstream. Addressing a rally after inaugurating the national headquarters of the Turmeric Board in Nizamabad in Telangana, Amit Shah lambasted Congress for asking the centre to hold discussions with Maoists. The message by the Home Minister is clear. It says, and I quote, "Give up weapons and surrender."
इसका क्या जवाब है? भाइयों बहनों, एक कांग्रेस पार्टी, मुझे तो डर है कि देश भर से भागे हुए नक्सलियों को यहां पर पनाह न दे, तेलंगाना में पनाह न दे। मगर आप चिंता मत करना, केंद्र में नरेंद्र मोदी सरकार है, नरेंद्र मोदी सरकार। हम 31/3/26 तक इस देश के नक्सलवाद को समाप्त कर देंगे।
So, this is in line with Amit Shah's message or resolve to make India free of Maoists by the 31st of March 2026. That's the deadline that Amit Shah has spoken about, and we have also seen the war against Red Terror taking place diligently, with the Home Ministry undertaking the vow to end Maoism by 2026. Let's in fact put out some stats for you that indicate how the work has been going on, and there is a clear difference that can be seen before 2014 versus now. Now look at the incidents of the Maoist violence being reported. In the 10-year period of 2004 to 2014, it was as much as over 16,000. But look at the difference now. There is a big reduction, almost halved, to 7,980 cases being reported. This is from the 2014 to 2025 period. Now look at the security personnel killed. Remember, there have been multiple deaths of security personnel in the attacks by these Maoist leaders, and the numbers were 1,824 before, now being reduced to 520. Similarly, for civilian lives as well, 4,684 lives being lost previously, while now it has decreased to 1,574. And the vow that has been taken by the Home Minister that he has spoken of is also to ensure that India is free of Maoist violence by 2026.
इसका क्या जवाब है? भाइयों बहनों, एक कांग्रेस पार्टी, मुझे तो डर है कि देश भर से भागे हुए नक्सलियों को यहां पर पनाह न दे, तेलंगाना में पनाह न दे। मगर आप चिंता मत करना, केंद्र में नरेंद्र मोदी सरकार है, नरेंद्र मोदी सरकार। हम 31/3/26 तक इस देश के नक्सलवाद को समाप्त कर देंगे।
So here's what Amit Shah is talking about. He said that it is unacceptable and there will be no talks until the weapons have been laid down. So let's jog your memory a bit, as we have leaders from the Congress party who had earlier batted for talks with Maoists. In fact, the Telangana Pradesh Congress Committee President B. Mahesh Kumar Gaud had called for a ceasefire and peace talks with the Maoist terrorists. Not just that, he had also criticized the Modi government for its handling of the crackdown on Maoists, particularly Operation Kagar in Telangana. Listen in.
Kagar Katagutta ప్రాంతంలో దాదాపు 10,000 మంది పోలీస్ ఫోర్సెస్ ఆ ప్రాంతాన్ని చుట్టుముట్టినప్పుడు ఆలస్యమైన మేము చర్చలకు సిద్ధంగా ఉన్నాం, మేము ఆయుధాలను వదులుతాం, చర్చలకు ఆహ్వానించని అడిగినప్పుడు ఏ కనికరమున్న ప్రధానమంత్రి అయినా చర్చలకు ఆహ్వానించి ఉండాల్సింది, కానీ అది చేయలేదు. మన పౌరులు అన్నటువంటి విభిన్న అభిప్రాయాలు కలిగిన మన పౌరుల్ని చర్చలకు ఆహ్వానించలేదు. కానీ ట్రంప్ మొట్టికాయ వేస్తే తీవ్రవాదులతో, ఉగ్రవాదులతో చర్చలకు సిద్ధమైనటువంటి ప్రభుత్వం మనది.
So this was the statement that was made by the Congress leader calling for talks with the Maoists. And back then as well, the BJP had condemned these statements coming in from the Congress party. And now Amit Shah has also called out the Congress party for the same. In fact, Amit Shah has said that there will be no talks with any of the Maoists until they decided to keep down their weapons. All right.